dwarf from the House of Durin and a member of the Fellowship of the Ring.
Nobody tosses a dwarf!
Gimli's facial expression conveys determination and sternness. The 3D artist managed to capture the essence of the warrior's character through facial lines and posture. The details and elements of his clothing are recreated with attention to every detail, from the carvings on the belt buckle to the texture of his baggy pants. Gimli's meticulously recreated beard adds incredible charisma to him. And also add Gimli's bust to your collection. The halfling is recreated with his famous double-headed axe. We are assembling the figurine.